What's good? What's good? Welcome back. We're going to talk about Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1319, up 2.4 on the day. Sitting market cap of 160 billion, 24-hour volume 13.99 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to BitGet, sign up, receive up to $8,000 deposit bonus, and you'll also receive free access to my Discord if you email me. Make your deposit, email me your sign up email to BitGet. Great exchange for trading. Let's hop into Ethereum. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we've seen a nice throwback. Potentially the bearish wave count here is that we completed a 5-wave move down, and now you're going to start to push up in a wave 2 pullback. Looks like we could be putting in a nice little wave 1 to the upside, wave 1, see a wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to push you up in between 1468 and 1639, and then you would see a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside. And the bearish wave count is that this is a wave 4 pullback, and you're still looking to come down in a wave 5. If we zoom back in here on the smaller time frames, looks like we could put in a nice little inverse head and shoulders, where you have a left shoulder, you have a head, you have a right shoulder. So if you do see it start to push back to the upside, you can have a technical target. Of course, these patterns don't always play out, but that would basically take you up to 1468, which is the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, and a regular retracement zone for a wave 2. Now, the bullish wave count is as follows. A regular ABC correction already completed a wave 1 to the upside, and this is your wave 2 pullback, which is now complete with a 5-wave move. Looks like this 5-wave move is complete here, and now you start to push up in a wave 3 all the way up to 3K. Personally, I don't think it's a likely scenario, but it is possible. So your sub-wave count would be something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to push you all the way up to that 3K target for our friend ETH. Personally, I do think we will create a lower low, but of course anything can happen. If the bottom is in for the market, then this could be a wave 2 potentially pushing up into a wave 3. Now looking here at our patterns, we did push right back up into the pattern, but as you can see, we are struggling to hold it as support. We did have a throwback here. So what you want to see for the bulls is that we do indeed push back up into this pattern, back up to this level of resistance, and then confirm that it was a fake out to the downside and potentially see a nice push. But as I mentioned, we are into bearish patterns, and one of them has the most success to play out in a downtrend, which is a head and shoulders. And we have this bear flag. We did have a fake out to the downside, a bear trap, but you can still see continuation down, and you can still reach that technical target until you come up and break out to the upside. But it is a bullish sign to see that bear trap, to see a throwback. So we'll see if we hold this support and see continuation for our friend Ethereum. Just a quick little update here. This is my more primary count, in my opinion, that we do eventually come down and create a lower low. But if we do come up and break this high of about 1792, that does increase the likelihood of a potential bottom being in for Ethereum. This is a wave 2, and we begin to push up in a wave 3. I did release a poll here on the Discord asking my members if they thought the bottom was in for ETH. 15 people do not think the bottom is in and think we will create a lower low, including myself. But of course, we could all be wrong, and 4 people think the bottom is in. And you can have completely free access to my Discord if you sign up to BitGet, deposit, start trading, and email me your sign up email. You'll have free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. I'll send you a link, and at the $10 membership, you can get early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals for $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. That is it for this one. I will see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.